So it's like 8 a.m. and gonna be going down to Valparaiso today. Hang out with Matt from 27 Entertainment. Got the kitties on the couch. And yeah, we'll go get some coffee. Gotta push that down, man. So good. It's warm. It's so good though. I love this. This is Hello Handsome. Hello? Yeah! I know some of you may be wondering, why does the bathroom look so shitty? We did construction a few years back and put in a new tub and a new other stuff like that, and, you know, rearranged some things. Never got around to, like, repainting or doing the walls or fucking finishing anything. So, yeah. And I know what you might be thinking. What's with the shitty window? Easy, fun story. During demolition of this bathroom to knock out a wall and put in the tub over there, Wes here had a sledgehammer. Just swung that shit around a little too much. Took out the fucking window. It happens. Haven't had a chance or honestly a thought to put it back in, because I get ready in the morning and I go downstairs. I don't even think about this bathroom anymore. I know it needs done. We need to get that replaced. Do a lot of things around here, but it doesn't take priority, unfortunately, and I need to soon. Chili. Anybody else think these things are the most terrifying things ever when you're fucking driving? Like, it's already bad enough if I was to have gotten hit by a semi sideswipe. That shit is horrible. But I'm gonna get off my phone, because coppers. One thing I need to do more of is just like get together with people, some fellow creatives, and really just pile on some cool shots. I'm driving and I'm seeing all these awesome locations, and I just need to take more time to do that kind of shit, man. I sit behind the computer, I work a lot, I do a lot of that kind of stuff, and you know, I don't really take too much time to do creative work. So yeah, that's something I gotta be doing here soon. Just pulled up. Here's the 27 Entertainment building. Hey, I know those guys. I know those guys right there. Look at that. Hey. It's amazing.
Radius?
Oh my God.
Thank you.
I did not realize I was getting a flying saucer of Parmesan crisp. This is amazing. Good stuff. Yeah, I seriously don't even know what to do with this. Just, like, do I fold? Do I fold it?
Yeah.
We're just gonna do that. That snowfall, though.
Midwest.
All right, we're all done. Heading out. They're heading to the post office, leaving 27 Entertainment, and yeah, so we're gonna go see if we can get this meeting going here. Had a bride call me, or potential bride anyways. Just happens to be, there goes our guy. Just so happens to be right in town in Valparaiso, so I'm gonna see if she wants to meet up now, so let's do that. The Fluid Coffee Bar. I'd hope so, if it's solid. I'm asking questions. We are heading out. We're going to Portage, Indiana now. Got that meeting scheduled, so pretty stoked about that. We're gonna go meet with a potential client. Met them at a bridal show, and they texted me that, hey, they wanted to set up a meeting and get all that done, and just so happened that I'm in the neighborhood. So yeah, super stoked about that, man. Heading over there right now and gonna see what we can do from there. Greek pizzeria. Who doesn't love a good Greek pizzeria? I gotta say, I really do love Valpo. Like, this is where I shot David and Megan's engagement session here, like I don't know, a little while back and everything, and not snowing. But yeah, I don't know, just a nice little alley. The lights hanging up and stuff. Like, Valpo is so thoughtful. The one meeting space to rule them all. Seriously, the amount of times I've met at a Starbucks, fucking countless. So the meeting went awesome. Brenda and Cody were super cool to chat with. They're also D&D nerds who love Renaissance fairs and everything. So hopefully we can have their engagement session in Wisconsin at a Renaissance fair. Fucking fingers crossed, people. Right now I am super close to Joel's house. So I'm gonna head to Joel's house and hang out with him, maybe Michelle if she's there, see the kids. I haven't seen them all in a long time. It's been a minute. I think since last Christmas, not the previous one, but the one before that, I think. I don't know. I'm excited to see them all. So I'm gonna head over there right now and maybe have a beer and hang out for a little bit and then head on home. Not nearly as close to Joel's house as I, for whatever reason, thought I was. I'm still like 30 minutes, 35 minutes away. Not a problem. Still gonna go see them all and hang out for a little while. Just thought I was way closer. So yeah, we're gonna head over there now, have a good time, and yeah. Yeah, I know, I make weird noises. It's all right. Did you know they finally put a light here, Joel? Pulling up to the Henderson properties. Ah, made it. Don't ever. Little to the left, Sawyer. The other left. Yep. Almost. So close. What did you do? Why did you break it? What's up, buddy?
What's up?
How you doing, buddy? It's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's been a super long while. Slush shame?
Yeah, like
I will slush shame all day.
Slut shame.
So how did Jeremy?
Just walking in flip-flops and socks. This has not worked out well for me. This endeavor did not pay off.
No, it doesn't look like it's doing very well.
Oh, you're doing the thing.
Or no?
So sad.
Okay, great.
What shirt? 1/8 cup full.
There was nothing. What was he gonna do? I mean, if he would have gotten out of his car with a gun, I probably would have run him over on my way out.
Naturally,
like,
as one should.
Like,
Yeah.
what else would you have done?
You get out of the car with a gun? Yeah, I'm fucking gunning it.
I have no idea where reverse is taking me, but I know forward and leaning down
Yes,
can get me pretty
that
far.
would have gotten me.
All I need is this.
Forward like this.
Yeah.
Like this, yeah.
Past you and
If you jump out of the way,
Yeah.
good for you. If not,
Sorry. And then I'd
sorry,
be
you're
calling
going to end up smeared across the bottom of my
almost
fucking
called-
Tahoe.
Yep.
I almost called 911 to report him, but I just genuinely didn't even care.
911, I was racing a guy. He got really upset.
I'm sure the people like 3 cars back were like, what the fuck is happening? What is going on? Why are we not driving?
A lover's quarrel.
I know. It was like 8 a.m. How are you that angry at 8 a.m.? Like, what are you
Who's
so
got
angry
the
about?
who's got the fortitude for that to be that angry at 8 a.m.?
What kind of idiot does that? You wear fucking gym shoes to the golf course
An idiot
or
who doesn't
something.
play golf.
Oh
She's
my
never
God.
golfed.
She never golfed.
She's not a golfer.
She's not a golfer.
Not a golfer.
Not a
Golf.
She
golfer.
has never golfed.
A golfer is a
golfed.
mix between a golfer and a sculptor. It's a sculptor.
Oh God.
Shooting a little short video with Joel here. I'm digging it. I like Joel's room. All that shit. Yo, doing Joel?
Oh, nothing. Just vlogging. What are you doing?
Shit, man. Just stop by to see what's up. The hell are you doing?
So we just need to make sure this fits in the shot. I figured that it would be like, I show you a picture, you look at it and go, what's, like try to zoom in on it.
That was a good tech.
Yes. Yes, that was.
That was pretty good. The lighting in here is working really well.
Yeah,
honestly.
liking it?
I like it. I'm digging it.
I mean, we can try it again if you want.
Learning
I just have
from
a
the
feeling I'm
Jedi
going to end up
Master
using that
here.
one. No, it's just a bad haircut.
Oh, yeah, that is. All right, so,
so Wes
heading
is
out.
gonna be
Time to go home. Gonna be, excuse me, Joel, I am
I'm
trying to do the vlog.
finish the vlog here. I'm trying to, no, but
that's
I
what
need to
I'm-
wrap up my vlog
Yeah.
for the day, and that includes you leaving.
Nope. Yeah, it does, but I've got to say
You should
my
probably
end
just,
first.
Are you saying yours into your camera now, or am I talking?
I don't know.
Whose turn is it?
It's mine.
Okay, well, should you just leave then and just film? Just walk out and
Yeah,
just
maybe
finish yours out there.
I'm
and
trying to.
I'll wrap mine up in here.
Okay.
You just keep going out there.
Yeah, I'm just.
Okay, so Wes is
Whatever,
leaving.
I'm just.
He's
I'm
still
leaving here because
he's-
Joel
keeps
kicked me out of his
telling me that
house
he's
because he
leaving instead of
can't
just
vlog by
leaving.
himself. It's
Just
whatever.
leave already.
I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I want. What?
Would you leave already?
I'm leaving.
I couldn't.
I'm leaving. God, I'm trying to leave. I'm trying. I've got all this slush.
He's still vlogging over there.
I
Just pull out of the driveway. Watch
fucking
out for the
going.
kids stuff.
I'm going.
Pull out of the driveway.
You know
No,
what?
You're still here.
I pull out all the time.
Move. Move.
I'm leaving, Joel. Goodbye. Goodbye, Joel. God. What a great guy.
What are you doing out here, Sawyer?
What?
What are you doing out here? What are you working on? How are you back in here? Go home.
No. Today was a good day. Got to hang out with the guys from 27 Entertainment, meet Brenda and Cody, and make a fun little video with Joel. I don't know, it's just nice to get out and, you know, make a little something, do this daily vlog thing, or not daily, I don't know, try to do it when I can, but yeah, we'll see how it goes from there. What we're looking at here is a flatbed truck delivering a flatbed truck delivering a flatbed truck. It's crazy. Watch out. How does this work? Pick some. Oh. This is the outdoor kitty pixel / indoor kitty. We don't need another kitty. We don't need another kitty. We don't need another kitty.